The Untold Truth About Apache AH-64 Helicopter, 10 Real Facts Revealed Part 1. Hello and welcome to our video on the untold truth about the Apache AH-64 helicopter. The Apache is one of the most iconic helicopters in the world, and it has been used in countless military operations. In this video, we will reveal 10 real facts about the Apache that you may not have known before. Fact number 1, the Apache is a deadly machine. The Apache is equipped with a 30mm M230 chain gun, which can fire up to 625 rounds per minute. It also has the ability to carry a variety of missiles, including the Hellfire missile, which is capable of destroying tanks and other armored vehicles.